How to create Facebook profile QR code. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to create a QR code for your Facebook profile but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to create a Facebook profile quick response code. Open Facebook on your mobile device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top left corner. You will be directed to your Facebook profile. Tap on the three horizontal dots. At the very bottom, tap on the option for copy profile link. Once you have copied your Facebook profile link, let's begin the process of creating a QR code. For that, you will need to install an application named Adobe Express. Come back to the home screen, open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search bar, search for Adobe Express. Select the first search result for Adobe Express. Tap on the install button. The Adobe Express app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. Please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can now use the Adobe Express app on your device. Simply tap on open. You will land on sign in or create account page. I will continue with Google. Select the account of your choice. Tap continue. Close the advertisement. After that, you will land on its official homepage. Tap on the search bar. Search QR. Tap on generate QR. Enter or paste the URL of your Facebook profile. Keep in mind that from here you can create a QR code for any link, not only Facebook. Also, as of now, you can create unlimited QR codes from here. Once you have entered the URL, you will see a green tick next to it confirming that the link is valid. Now, let's modify our QR and make it attractive. For that, tap on style. From here, you can do styling to three things. First is dots. Select the dots of your choice. Second is marker border. Select the marker border of your choice. Last and final one is marker center. Select the marker center of your choice. Now, let's customize the color of the QR code. Tap on color. Select the color of your choice. Since it is a Facebook profile QR, I will keep it blue. Finally, let's download the QR. But before that, let's select the file format. Open the file format drop-down menu. I will select JPG. Then tap on the download button. You will see a message, export succeeded, which means our download was successful. Come back to the home screen. Open gallery or photos on your device. At the very top, you will find your recently made Facebook profile QR. Now let's check if it actually works. Come back to the home screen and open the scanner on your device. Tap on the gallery icon. Select the QR code. As you can see, after scanning the QR code, it is showing our Facebook profile link. Tap on go to website. Your default browser will open up. A pop-up will appear asking to allow this page to open Facebook. Tap OK. As you can see, we are redirected to our Facebook profile. Now, you can use this QR code to share your Facebook profile even offline, as it is saved in your gallery. And boom, you have successfully learned how to create a QR code for your Facebook profile. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.